Top 5 Best Play to Earn NFT Games. With very less hope of another bull market in 2022, people are now finding other ways to earn in the crypto sector. You know, there are a lot of ways to earn money in crypto, but the most interesting and enjoyable way is to earn by playing games. So in today's video, we are going to explore 5 of the best NFT play to earn games through which you can earn hundreds of dollars daily. But before we get into the details, I would like to welcome you guys back in another video of our YouTube channel TechHub, where you will be always getting your daily dose of crypto news and entertainment. It is also important to note that I'm not a financial advisor, and everything in this video is not financial advice. So let's start the video without any further delay with our 5th game, which is Aliens World. Alien World is a multi-planet NFT metaverse with 7 worlds. The purpose of the game is to gain Trillium, TLM, an in-game cryptocurrency that can be traded for real money. To compete for a part of the TLM reward pool, players can harvest TLM or dispatch virtual spaceships on missions across the metaverse. After completing a mission, each traveler can get up to 5 NFT. In addition to exploring the various planets, the game allows players to compete against one another on the BSC blockchain. So that was all about Aliens World. We'll now move to a very popular game called Illuvium. Illuvium is a blockchain-based RPG set in an open environment. Players must defeat and catch Illuvials as they wander through a magical environment. Illuvials can be utilized in battle against other players once you've collected them while questing, completing challenges, or progressing through Illuvium's plot. The Illuvium project revolves around collecting and customizing NFT Illuvials. Affinity and class are assigned to each Illuvial. There are 5 classes and 5 affinities, each with its own set of advantages and disadvantages. As you win battles and complete tasks, your Illuvial grows stronger. An NFT marketplace can be used to exchange all of Illuvium's in-game assets, including Illuvials and objects. If you want to earn ILV and SILV, Illuvium's in-game currency, you can buy the token on Binance and start staking on Illuvium's platform, or you can stake partner tokens in exchange for ILV. Then on number 3, there's Mobbox on our list. Mobbox is a cross-platform game metaverse that blends DeFi yield farming with gaming NFT. Mobbox NFT, commonly known as Momos, can be obtained through Binance NFT mystery box launches or the Binance NFT secondary market. Momo NFT can be used to farm, battle, and create crypto rewards. Within the Mobbox metaverse, participants can also exchange their Momos, stake them to cultivate Mbox tokens, or use them as collateral. Mobbox offers simple gameplay that incorporates both free-to-play and play-to-earn elements. The game emphasizes NFT interoperability, allowing players to use their Mobbox assets in multiple games at the same time. Now it's time to move on to our second last and second best game, which is My Neighbor Alice. My Neighbor Alice is a multiplayer world-building game that combines the best of both worlds, a fun experience for casual players, and a trading and collecting environment for NFT. In the form of an NFT token, players purchase and possess virtual parcels of land from Alice or the marketplace. Because there is a limited supply of available land, market prices fluctuate. If you're a good landowner, the in-game reputation system will grant you additional perks. In addition to land, players can purchase and use in-game assets for their avatars, such as houses, animals, vegetables, decorations, and cosmetic items. The Alice token, which can also be purchased on Binance, is the game's principal currency. Alice tokens are used for in-game transactions such as land purchases, as well as DeFi services such as staking, collateralization, and buyback. And it's now finally time to reveal the last game, which is Mines of Dallarnia. Mines of Dallarnia is a unique blockchain-powered real estate marketing and action-adventure gaming concept. Miners and landowners, 2 cooperative groups, make up the player base. Landowners give the land and resources, while miners battle monsters and destroy blocks in search of valuable resources. Players can also work together with their friends to kill monsters, accomplish tasks, and get access to in-game rewards. The in-game assets for Mines of Dallarnia are available for purchase on the Binance NFT marketplace from Con 2022 as part of their planned IGO collection. Upgrades, skill progression, governance, transaction fees, and other in-game transactions are all done with DAR, the in-game money. So that's the end of the video for today with all 5 best and most interesting NFT play to earn games. Playing these games can let you have a passive income, but for that, you will have to be a pro, which you can become if you play regularly. So that's the end of the video, but still, If you have any questions about anything related to these games, so as I always say, do mention it below in the comment box. And also let us know if you want us to make videos on all these coins to explain every detail about them. Now, if you have found the content helpful, then don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and do subscribe to our channel for weekly content like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video of Tech HUB. Until then, goodbye.